Hi, I'm here to talk to you about how to program your new electronic keypad deadbolt. It's easy to do when you watch this video and read the instructions. It only takes a few minutes to do, and here's how. First, while programming your electronic keypad deadbolt, make sure the door is open where you can access both sides of the door. Never test your unit with the door closed. Now, step 1, setting the bolt direction. This is very important and you must do this step first. First, locate your set button. It's a little button to the left of the LED light, but to the right of the auto lock switch. This unit comes with a factory preset master code of 123456 that you will need to use to complete the first two steps. Now, press and hold the set button for 2 seconds until it beeps, and then let it go. Now, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by the lock button. Press 0, 0, followed by the lock button. Now your unit should have set itself. To test this, press the lock button and make sure that the unit locks properly. Now press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And make sure that the bolt retracts. If it has done so, it has been set properly. If it has not been set properly, repeat this step again. If you have any issues, please contact the helpline. Someone should be able to assist you to resolve any issues you may have. Step 2, setting your master code. For security reasons, we strongly recommend you change your master code. Your own master code has to be 6 digits in length. The master code can unlock the door as well as add and remove user codes. Think of a 6-digit code ahead of time that you will remember. Now, press and hold the set button for 2 seconds until it beeps and then let it go. Now, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 followed by the lock button. Now press 1, 0 followed by the lock button. Now enter your new 6-digit master code followed by the lock button. Now wait for the unit to go back out of programming mode. The red light will go out and you should hear a beep. Now test the lock by pushing the lock button. Now enter your new master code . The deadbolt should unlock. If it hasn't, repeat this step again. Step 3, and this is optional, adding a user code. Press and hold the set button for 2 seconds until it beeps and then let it go. Enter your new master code followed by the lock button. Now press 2, 0 followed by the lock button. Enter your new 4 to 6-digit code followed by the lock button. Now you wait until the red light goes out and the unit beeps. Then test your unit to make sure that it worked. Test your unit by pushing the lock button. Now enter your new user code. The new user code has been added properly. Step 4, deleting a user code. This is optional. Press and hold the set button for 2 seconds until it beeps and then let it go. Now enter your 6-digit master code followed by the lock button. Press 3, 0 followed by the lock button. Now enter the user code you wish to delete followed by the lock button. Now wait until the unit has gone back out of setting mode by the red light going out and the unit beeping. Test your unit to make sure the code has been successfully removed by pushing the lock button. Now with the bolt locked, enter that same user code that was once in there. The unit has been successfully removed with that user code. Now, step 5, resetting the unit to factory settings. To restore the unit to factory settings, you'll need to remove one battery. While the one battery is out, press and hold the set button. With the set button being held, reinstall the battery and do not let go of the set button until you've heard a long beep followed by a short beep. Once that has happened, your unit should be back to factory settings. This means all user codes have been removed and the master code has been set back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test your unit to make sure by pushing the lock button. Once the unit has been locked, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the unit should unlock. Your unit has been successfully restored to factory settings. Now you have set your electronic keypad deadbolt. Remember, if you have any questions, please call our customer service line.